Welcome to the world of Tripollar, the brilliant beauty choice. Hi there, today I got the new edition of Tripollar Stop X, and I'm excited to see with you what's new and how it works. But before we do anything, be sure to read the user manual for warnings and indications for use. Connect the power supply cord to the device and plug it into an electrical outlet. Clean and dry your face. Lightly dab dots of Tripollar preparation gel and spread it into a very thin layer over your entire face and neck. Remove the device cover. Divide your face into treatment areas: right cheek, left cheek, forehead and neck. Press the power button. The green indicator will turn on. This is the heating level button. You can press the power button again to change the heat intensity. However, it's recommended to start with the low level, which is 1 green light. To begin, place the device head on your skin and press it slightly. Start moving the device in a slow circular motion on a small part of your treatment area. That way, it heats your skin slowly until it reaches the right temperature for best results. You need to remember 2 important things. First, keep the device constantly moving, and secondly, make sure that all 4 electrodes are in contact with the skin all the time. Once the skin reaches the optimal temperature, the orange light turns on, followed by a beep. Continue the slow circular movements for a few more seconds, and then slowly make the circles larger. Make sure to cover the entire treatment area. Continue like this and make sure that the orange indicator is on as much as possible. Use lifting movements from the jawline upwards towards the cheek. Treat each area for 4 to 5 minutes and then move to the next area. Remember that the orange light means that the device is working at the right temperature for treatment. So when you move from one area to another, it might turn off because the temperature of the skin in the new area isn't warm enough yet. When you work on the forehead, start from the corner of the eye and move towards the center. Once you reach the center, move back towards the eye with linear movements. Repeat this until the entire forehead is treated. If you want to treat the neck, make sure to use the low level and make slow circles from the jawline to the neck and back. Move like that until you've covered the entire neck. Do not treat the thyroid area. If the orange light and beep takes more than 5 minutes to appear, or if you don't feel any heating, there are a few things you can do. One is to try and slow down your movements. This can give the heating process a better chance to happen. Also, you might have applied too much gel, so remove some if you need to. Another option is to increase the power level. You have 2 levels on the device, so move gradually between them to check which is best for you. And continue like that until you've treated the entire face and neck. A complete treatment cycle should take 12 to 15 minutes on average, but of course, time can be different for different people and skin types. To get the best results, use Tripollar Stop X 2 to 3 times a week for 6 to 8 weeks. For long-term results, you can continue to use your Tripollar Stop X device 2 to 4 times a month. Every skin is different, so you will know what's best for you. You may see some redness and swelling during the treatment, but it will calm down after a short time. So, press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn the device off. Disconnect the power supply from the device. Clean the gel from your face and complete the treatment with a moisturizing cream. To clean the device, use a soft damp cloth or paper towel and cover it with its protective cover. You should never submerge the device in water.